Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove yourself from Facebook business page. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the menu icon at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on Pages. Choose the page you want to leave. Tap on Switch. Now again tap on the menu icon at the bottom right. Tap on the settings at the top. On your business page, settings, scroll down and tap on page setup. Here you will see your name along with your role like admin, editor or moderator. Tap your name, then scroll down and tap remove from page or remove access. Facebook might ask you to confirm, just tap confirm or remove. If you are the only admin on the page, Facebook won't let you remove yourself until you assign someone else as an admin. So be sure to add another admin first if needed. And that's it. You have now removed yourself from the Facebook business page. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.